What's up, YouTube? Orange Milk here. Well, and I got some bad news. My gun broke today. Had some issues with the motor, I think. When I tried to pull the trigger, right now it's on semi-automatic. It makes a screeching noise like this. I'm going to try to fix that right now by tightening the plate, the motor plate. So, here we go. If we have any success. Now, I don't know if it will or not. I'm getting no trigger response. Alright guys, I'm back. I just tightened it too much and then had to loosen the butt plate of the motor. Now hopefully this solved it. Sounds better now. I'm going to put a mag in. Show you guys it actually shoots. The whole point in the video is to see if this shoots or not. Right now it's shooting good. See what the fire rate is like. Perfect. And that's how you fix the motor if it's having a screeching noise. Thank you.